Hello guys, let's learn today about the endocrine function of your hypothalamus. Starting up with it, this one is your anterior pituitary and this one is your posterior pituitary. This one is a part of your hypothalamus. So in the zones of your hypothalamus, we have already seen about the tuberal zone where you have the presence of your arcuate nucleus. Now this arcuate nucleus releases inhibiting and the releasing factors which travels down to the cells present in your anterior pituitary through your hypothalamic hypophyseal portal system. For an example, if your arcuate nucleus releases growth hormone releasing hormone or a growth hormone inhibiting hormone, this is what it actually means about releasing and the inhibiting factors. So this will act on the cells called as the somatotrophs in your anterior pituitary, and this somatotrophs further releases a growth hormone into your body which will act on different types of organs in your body to actually cause its growth. Next, which will be released by your arcuate nucleus is your corticotropin releasing hormone or corticotropin hormone, and this will be acting on the corticotrophs present in your anterior pituitary. This adenocorticotropin hormone released by your corticotrophs actually acts on the adrenal glands present in your body, and this adrenal glands further releases a cortisol. The next one is prolactin inhibiting hormone is nothing but your dopamine, which basically acts on the lactotrophs present in your anterior pituitary, which further releases a prolactin. Now this prolactin functions on acting on your mammary glands present in your breast. Help of the action of the prolactin leads to the milk secretion. The next one is your thyrotropin releasing hormone or thyrotropin inhibiting hormone, which will be acting on thyrotropes. This thyrotropes further releases thyroid stimulating hormone, which will be acting on the thyroid gland, and this thyroid gland, once been stimulated by your thyroid stimulating hormone, releases your T3 and T4, which are nothing but your thyroid hormone. Lastly, so this was a function of your arcuate nucleus. Then the next one, which is your gonadotrophs, they are not been acted by your arcuate nucleus, they will be acted on by your medial preoptic nucleus. Now this medial preoptic nucleus, same as that of an arcuate nucleus, releases your gonadotropin releasing hormone and gonadotropin inhibiting hormone, which will be further acting on the gonadotrophs present in your anterior pituitary, and which will be further releasing your luteinizing hormone and your follicle stimulating hormone. Now this luteinizing hormone and follicle stimulating hormone has different function in males and the female. FSH in your female for the release of an estrogen, whereas LH is responsible for the release of your progesterone. Whereas in the males, FSH is responsible for the sperm production, whereas LH is responsible for the release of testosterone. Thank you. Follow for more.